How to find nearby people on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to use the map feature to spot friends and accounts near a specific location. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, tap the messages icon at the top right of your home screen to open your inbox. After that, look for the map option near where notes would normally appear and tap it. At this point, tap the search bar on the map and type in the name of your city, neighborhood, or a nearby landmark. Following this, the map will center on that location, and any friend's stories from that area will pop up as pins if they've also turned on maps. From here, tap on any pin to view that person's story and see exactly where it was posted from. Keep in mind, this only shows friends who have maps enabled and have shared a story with location data. It won't show random strangers or accounts you don't follow, so it's more useful for finding friends nearby than discovering new people. That's how you find nearby people on Instagram using maps. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.